So today we'll be going through a renewable energy sources selection tool that was developed for the Ceangal project. And for this video, this is going to be instruction video on how to use the tool. So this is a first part of the tool that covers for solar selection and its output. As you can see, the solar tool is divided into two subsections. The first section to the left is the load audit, while the one to the right is equipment design. Load audit is where you get the load from the community, from the household dwellers. In this case, we have listed the little appliance over here: a TV, light, fan, and radio. So you have just few steps to do. It's quite simplified. So first step, you enter the number of each appliances in green. So for this test case, you have one TV, you have 5 light bulbs, I have 2 fans, I have 1 radio. Yep. Okay. Then second step is to enter the power rating or the power wattage of these appliances. The wattage of the appliances is usually stamped on the bottom or the back of the appliance. You can find it there, or you can check with the manufacturer's manual from line or in the carton. So for TV, my TV, I'll go for 120 watts. My light bulb, I'm using a 10 watts LED. The fan, I'm using the 40 watts. My radio is about 20 watts. Okay. Then the step 3 is to enter the operating hours of each appliance per day. So how long do I run my television in a day? I would say 8 hours. The light bulb, I would like to run it for 10 hours. My fan, similarly 10 hours. And my radio stays 20 hours. Yes. So this is a simple calculation. Just fill in the number of appliances, the power rating, the hours per day. The tool will do the rest for you. Eventually, what we are seeing from our analysis, the total energy used in watt is 270 watts. With the number of hours these appliances will run for a day, we are having 2,660 watt hour, which is equivalent to 2.66 kilowatt hour. For this particular system, the tool is able to generate the number of solar panel that will be needed. It's showing the number of PV required is 2. We're using a baseline of 300 watts as our panel size, and also the inverter. You need 300 watts inverter in kilowatts to 0.3 kilowatts. And for the battery, the client need 1 day autonomy. So we'll be needing 3 batteries of 12 amps, 12 volts rather. So that is for the solar calculation. So you put the appliances number of appliances, the power rating, and the household. That gives you an idea of what your system, what you will need to power your system. Just a disclaimer before I go up here: this tool is not exhaustive representation of the entire renewable energy system. If you want to install a system or you want more in-depth analysis, you contact your solar specialist in your local region. Thank you.